What's up, zztvers?
The baby Joe is the baby cuckoo.
We give you an update with the baby kukuk.
Yeah, look.
He grown big na.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so just look at this. First like show the baby cuckoo is flying.
Let me grab him.
I think that's the mother. Oh, you not got the mother.
That's not the mother.
Let's
See?
let him out.
He's big na.
Let him out and then let him fly. Just look at him.
Whoa! He wants to fly na. He's trying to learn how to fly na.
Young, just wait. Wait for it.
Oh, he poop.
Wait for it. We just saw him went behind my head. The cuckoo just fly like that.
Earlier.
Yeah, we just saw it here. He fly. We just saw the cuckoo went here and then fly there, down there.
Eat the food. Oh, we showed the egg. The egg is, ano na, hatching. Zane. Hold this for me. Oh, video the kukuk. Video the baby kukuk.
So we show the baby cuckoo.
Don't scare him.
Wait, camera, you? Or the baby cuckoo or our baby?
Look. They're hatching na.
So it's hatching and he is scared.
Oh, careful.
It's hot.
Yeah. You see the crack on the egg?
Yeah.
I feel the baby moving inside.
You dropped it.
No, you open your hand. Open your hand. But don't drop it, ah. You will feel that the egg is moving. You feel it? Something's moving inside. Trying to open the shell.
Wait, he will hatch right here.
Oh no, give to me.
But he will hatch right. Oh, I want him eating it.
What you gonna name him?
Where's it?
This one.
Flyer?
Flyer?
Yeah, because he's flying.
Oh.
And I want to name these.
When it hatched na.
Yeah.
Oh, you take a video of the baby kukuk. I'll just put this back on the nest.
So it pulls. What? What he's looking at? Papa.
Looking at you. Maybe we can train him.
Yeah. Why he's going here? Why he's going? This is such a big. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 He's trying to talk to me!
He thinks that... Oh, careful dyan. Maybe he wants to go home na.
Let him go.
Ha? Don't want to let him go home?
I want to let him go home.
Ah,
Because I don't want... But cuckoo have a sense of smell.
yeah. Sense of sight and sense of hearing and sense of taste.
Who you are videoing?
You.
Videoing.
Video him. Video flyer. His name is Flyer from today.
Yeah.
You just gave him a name.
And what are all those names you name?
We don't have name for those.
Yeah, because that. See what is that song?
A puput.
This one. I think this is the but that one is hard. But where's the cuckoo?
So I think in a few more days we have another baby kukuk because the eggs here starting to crack,
Yeah.
starting to hatch.
And then what we will name those, I don't know.
Yeah, we will think of what will be their name. But for now, this is the update to our loft.
Hatcher.
Hatcher? Hatcher 1, Hatcher 2?
No, I mean, I don't know. I think
don't
that
know.
name too.
Uh,
Two, three of the names because he will be that guy too. But anyway, and he's that guy. Mama name him. I don't know.
don't know.
Hey, Papa, you will name the two cook and the free cook. It already hatched. There's a crack.
Yeah. But we will name them when they become bigger. He's looking at the airplane. He wants to go to the airplane. Huh?
I'm looking at the sun. My eyes don't like looking at the sun. My eyes don't like.
So yun guys, that's the update from our loft. So
It's baby cook.
may pangalan na siya.
He's eating. It's this. Why he's not eating his food?
Maybe he's done eating na.
Ayan. Alright, we'll bring him in.
Yeah. Can you catch him? Catch him. Faster, don't scare him. Grab him. Like this, grab him like this. Oh, see? Ah, hold it.
Sige. I just want to touch. Like you feel hot?
Yeah.
You feel hot. What to? What? Like bring him in. Bring him in. Put him right here. Put him right here. Put him right here.
Okay.
Wait, see? Wait, these are his ox jobs. To jump. And then went there
go
to
there.
fly.
Yeah. Can you hold it and then I'll take a picture. I will hold it with you. But hold it first. See? He's a good guy. He don't move, oh. Look, he's not moving at all. Just move his head. Yan. Put your hand on the, like when you're holding a ball. Yan, ganyan. See? Then your face, straight your face. Then you smile to the camera, okay? Whoa, you can hold the kukuk one. Look at the lens. Oh,
A few moments later.
oh hold it. He's looking on the camera also.
Papa, you know hindi the video.
Huh?
It paused the video. The video just paused. Papa, you just post the video. You just post the video. Oh, you see it close.
Yeah, it's still running. You're flying like a cuckoo. So that's for our today's update. So our loft update. So I think we're gonna have 2 more baby chicks. So again guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share or comment onto our video.
It is done.
Yeah. So see you again on our next vlog. Say bye bye na.
Goodbye.
Bye.